Hey, hi to everyone. Hi friends. It's Vikas and I welcome to my channel VK Communication Master Empowering Program. So today guys, I'm coming with some action plan that how do you improve your English speaking, how do you improve your spoken English, and how do you improve your English communication skill, and how do you improve your English language. For that purpose, I meant a planning for you that what the action plan that you need to improve your English. So let's see that what the action planning is that, because if you have any dreams and if you just think if you want to learn English, then you need action plan, you need a dedication, devotion and hard work also. So what's our action plan should be? If I want to be a good speaker, then what action plan should I follow? So I follow the action plan of basic grammar, a structure, and the word power. We need the three things for a good communication skill, for a good speaking power. We need to work in three sectors. The first sector is you need to work in your basic grammar. You need to improve. If you are the beginner, then you need to improve your basic grammar. So in basic grammar, what are the things that you need to read out? At first, you complete your parts of speech. In the parts of speech, we have the noun, pronoun, adjective, preposition, adverb, verb, interjection, conjunction, all are. So actually, the whole grammar is inside the parts of speech, but they are in the divided into different categories. Okay, so at first you need to complete your parts of speech, the 8 parts of speech. Go through, read out the definition, know about them, go through the examples, how they used and how they come with the sentences. Then you complete the sentence. After the parts of speech, you need to know about the sentence, means how many types of the sentence we have. Just like we have assertive sentence, we have interrogative sentence. In assertive sentence we have the two parts, affirmative and the negative. We have interrogative. In interrogative sentence we have the two part, yes no question and WH questions. We have comparative sentence in which we have the two parts, comparative and imperative. So go through its the definition, it's a structure. Then we have the exclamatory sentence. And then after once we finish the parts of the speech sentence, then we need to go through the tenses. We need to go through the tense. We have three types of the tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. And every tense has their further kinds, and they are the further divided into further parts. Just suppose that present tense is divided into 4 parts: simple present tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, and so on with the past tense also and with the future tense also. Then we need to know about the modal verbs, about the can, could, shall, should, may, might. So 12 or 13 types of the modal verbs we have. Then we need to know about the voice, then we need to know about the narration, then we need to know about the determination. So these are the some basic grammars that you need to know if you want to improve your communication skill, your English language, or your speaking power in English, or your spoken English. So you need these basic grammars. Okay, so it's a must be necessary that you must have the ideas of these all basic necessary that can help you to improve your English also, your speaking ability also, and capability also. Then we need to work the second category of mind. The first category, I think you all are understand the first category. Now the go through the second category, that is the category of a structure of sentences. We need to work on the structure of sentences, because the different situation and different conditions need such type of the different structure, and you must have the idea that what type of the situation condition, and what type of the condition, what type of the structure we use, because this, if you know and if you have the capability and ability of the structure, then it's a flourish your English capability, your English power, and you have the powerful English speech. When you speak, people not control themselves to clapping, but you need to structure power, you need to structure the whole the sentences, and at least you need to command up to 200 to 300 sentences of structure. They are the total 200 to 300 structure sentences. If you command to all, you be a good speaker, you be a good speaker. Believe me, my dear friends, you will be a good speaker if you follow all these three rules. First, you complete the basic grammar, then go through the sentence structures, and the third one, the collect more and more word power, because word power is the one of the man tool for your to enhance your capability of speaking power, capability of English, your English speaking, and it helps to improve your communication power. You need more and more word power to become a more and more influence speaker. So you need all these three, and the fourth and the last funda is that you need to practice, practice and practice. These all things are the learning tool, but the main thing is that you need to practice all these learning tools. So what is the learning tools that I share with you? I share the three learning tools with you. The first one is the basic grammar, second one is the structure of sentences, third one is the word power, and the fourth thing that you need, that you practice all these learning tools in your day-to-day life, with your friends, with your family members, with anyone. Whenever you get the chance, you practice and practice and practice. And if you do all these things that I share with you, believe me, my dear friends, nobody can stop you to learn English. Nobody can stop you to talk, walk in English. Nobody to stop you to be a good English speaker, to become a good English speaker. Nobody can stop you to speak English. So guys, if you like my video, then please give me the like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. So bye bye, tata, have a good day, take care.